when it comes to automation on machining centres like Matsuura, what you have to think of is sitting in the background is a huge capability for to handle tooling, tool breakage, making sure that the machine keeps going, and also a lot of safety factors which frighten operators about leaving them running overnight. But if you've got all that built in, you have the security of being able to sleep on a night, because you know that if one tool breaks, they're not all going to break. It's going to sit there wait till you get in. So that's reassurance for them.
Okay, so with that in mind, the first sort of multi-pallet, not twin pallet, but multi-pallet machine is the MX330 from Matsuura.
Yeah, that was where we dipped our toe. I seen that out in Japan, and I thought it's a good start because it's one stage further than a 5-axis machine with the capability of being able to do work on 10 different tables. So I thought that would be good to get us going, and a year later we're already beginning to realise that we're moving into that area and we can get a lot more out of automation, which is why we've recently purchased the MAM 72.
Okay, now in terms of the MX330, how many pallets has that got?
That's got 10 pallets, but that doesn't stop it being able to do 10 jobs. Over one cycle. You could do 10 one-offs, right? But also you need to. What we've done is we've looked at how we work hold everything on those tables, so it's dead easy to change.
How long is it going to take you to change in?
I think we can change over in 20 minutes, half an hour. Whereas in the past, doing low quantities, we could spend 4, 5, 6 hours setting the machine up.
So massive time savings.
Massive time saving.
In terms of, if you're running 10 different jobs, 10 pallets, is there an issue with tooling? How many tools does this machine hold?
We haven't filled that yet, and we've had the machine a year now. We've probably manufactured, I'm talking repeat business here, Colin, we've probably manufactured, I would say, at least 40, 50 different components on that machine. So every time a new order turns up, the tooling's already there, the programs are already there, and it's just a simple matter. If it's a vice, the vice goes onto the plate that we're using, and one clamp and screw, and then we're away.